Hello everyone, it's Sam from Retro Classic in North Yorkshire, back again today with another video and an exclusive offer for you. So this is our deal of the month. It's a 1950 F1 pickup truck, fully restored. It's got an upgraded Tramac 2.5 manual gearbox, so you can actually use it. This was originally $36,995. It is now for December only $31,750. Our last deal of the month only lasted 3 days before selling. So if you're in the market for an exceptional pickup truck, or you're just in the market for something, I've always thought something like this would be fantastic for anyone with a business. I mean, even a building contractor, whatever it may be, getting that deckled up, that will cause more of a stir and more attention than anything else you could possibly buy for the money. And as I harp on quite a lot about all of our fully restored classic cars, at $31,750, there is no way you could buy a shed 1950 F2 pickup truck and restore it to this quality for the money. I think now you'd be in excess of £70,000–£80,000 to get it to this standard. So this is an absolute gem of a buy. As I said before, if you're after a pickup or you just want something a little bit fun where you want to go to shows in, this is absolutely perfect for you. And keep an eye out on our YouTube, because we're going to be running deals of the month every single month. As I said before, our last one sold within 3 days. This is for December only, and also nearly forgot there, free UK mainland delivery included in that price, included across all of our stock as well through December only. So if you want us to park our American classics, whatever it may be, on your driveway before Christmas, treat yourself, please get in touch with me, sam@retroclassiccar.com. All links are below, more details, all that jazz down below. So get in touch with us. We'd love to see you. And as I said before, take hold of this fantastic deal. Anyway guys, thanks for listening, and see you very soon.